We're working on a 2011 Silverado 5.3 liter. It's overheating. We've been fighting overheating problem. It's had a radiator put in it, thermostat put in it, and I want to spin this around to the camera. This is the first time we've seen this. That's the impeller. You see the impeller sitting there? It's the first time we've seen this happen. I've bought a new water pump, LS water pump, and it not have an impeller on it from the factory. This is the first time I've ever seen a water pump impeller either be gone, rotted off, or shaft missed. We're going to pull this water pump off and knock the back off of it and see what the impeller looks like. This here's the reason for our overheating. The impeller rusted, twisted, broke, however it happened, no longer turning. This guy's been fighting this problem for a long time. Never seen that before, it's our first time, so there you have it.